The accessories come in this little zippered pouch that we can go through. You have a dust cover, which isn't a bad idea to kind of keep your serger covered from all the lint that goes around in our serger and sewing area. A thing of oil. Make sure you watch the video on how to clean and oil your machine. You have 4 spool caps. Kind of looks like your sewing machine spool caps, that these are meant to go on top of smaller spools that you might be using. See how this has a cap on the top? This will help hold it down and in place, and then also give the thread a little something to jump over while holding it down. Even smaller spools yet, once again, put that spool cap on to hold them in place. So you get 4 of those. You have a pack of needles. Nice thing about the needles on this serger is they are the same as your sewing machine. So as long as you stay within the size range of your needles, which is size 70 up to 90, then you can use denim needles from your sewing machine. You can use top stitch needles. They have a bigger eye. If you want to use metallic thread, you've got lots of choices because we have a lot more needles for the sewing machine that will fit in this serger. Now, these are little thread nets. If you ever have some spools that are falling down, they're just not staying on the spool, like this one won't have a problem, but sometimes when they're slippery threads, they want to puddle at the bottom, and these little nets just sit over them and put a nice little gentle resistance to keep the threads flowing up as the serger pulls them in. So you have 2 of those. You have a great pair of tweezers. One of my favorite brands are included with the Bernina sergers. This is a little hook. This will help thread through the lower looper. I'll show you how that works. And then also 2 very commonly used items that I will show you. This is, though it is just a brush on this end, on the other end there is a small hole, and the small hole will help us lift and remove or add or subtract needles. So I'll hold that and use a small screwdriver at the top of the needles here. Those are really small screws, and that is the only screwdriver you need for this particular serger. Now, in with the manual is also your warranty. So let's take a look at what the warranty is on the serger. What you want to do is take a look, have this filled out by your Bernina dealers, and then you can send that in. So it's all registered. You have a 1-year warranty on electrical parts, so pretty much your foot control and power cord, and then 5 years on mechanical parts from the date of purchase. So, and then you can read through and make sure you understand the rest. And then of course we'll be working through every page of the manual. So if it's in here, we're going to do a video on it so you'll know exactly what they're trying to say with a visual of the video.